Mimi naitwa Rael Otundo, the woman voice of the people, Kisii County. Tunashukuru kuja kwa president na tunasema karibu sana, na sisi tuko tayari kama watu wa Kisii County na Nyamira to ensure that we work together for development. As you come, we are asking you kindly to remember the Kisii region on the promises that were made. One of them being the cancer center that we have really waited for long. Our people are dying from cancer. The second one we want is that industrial park, so that our youths can be able to get jobs, so that we can be able to have manufacturing. We also want completion of roads that had been started, 100 kilometers every constituency, and the other main roads like the Kisii-Kisumu, which we see is ongoing and we really appreciate, and we also want the one of Kisii-Migori to be also complete, and others that are being done to be complete. The other thing we are talking about is about the civil service. We want efficient civil service. We have a problem in the land registry, and for that reason we are asking for overhaul of the or transfer of the land registrars who are in the Kisii land registry, so that we can have other officers who are more efficient, because our people from Kisii County have really complained. Last but not least, we want also new developments. This business of ICT that you are talking about, we believe that you are bringing something to us. We have also Bonyunyu Dam. As you are trying to revive Arol and Kimwarel, we are also praying that we get Bonyunyu Dam, so that we can be able to also get development just like the rest of the people. Unlike the county government, we appreciate the national government, because this time at least they have appointed women politicians from Kisii County, which means that the women are getting empowered. We are looking forward to more appointments, so that we have all of us inclusive. Don't forget the disabled and the youth.
Okay, the last question. What can you comment about the assessment of the system?
Okay, for the people of Kisii, we are very, very peaceful people, and some of us vied and lost. We accepted and moved on. All we need is to work with the government of the day for development of our people. This business of being taken aback, some of us are not there, and we are asking our people to assist our president and his team to move the government forward. Because if we keep on going backwards, we'll never be able to pick the pieces and move. This business of economy is a problem that is in the world, and it needs to be sorted out. The people of opposition should come with the ideas they have. They work with the government of the day, and they ensure that we have solutions that will help our people. Otherwise, the opposition and the government are all working for one person called Mwananchi.
Thank you. My name is Julie Nyanchama Nyamao, and I was a candidate for the Kenya National Congress Party, which is currently under UDA, under a coalition by the name Taifa Democratic Coalition. I want to take this opportunity to welcome the head of state, His Excellency, our President William Samoei Ruto. Welcome to Kisii. We as women leaders from the Kisii community, we look forward to working with you closely, particularly on bringing different ideas and agendas at the table for decision making during these difficult times of the go-slows and the mandamanos, etc. I want to take this opportunity to also request you that our involvement as women leaders in your government will be fruitful, and it will be in line with embracing women political leadership, ensuring peace and security within our counties and the national government, particularly during these difficult times of strikes and go-slows and public holidays that are unwarranted. Thank you very much.
As a woman, do you feel that the current government has considered women in positions
I am very happy that the current government is in the process of considering many women into different government positions, particularly from all areas that will show the Kenyan kind of constitution, or all leaders or all people from all over the country. But for Kisii County, I will request that His Excellency the President considers women from Kisii County, particularly due to the fact that this is the only region in the entire country that has never elected a woman member of parliament since independence. And we are requesting that going forward, we get support, mentorship, and what requires all the women leaders to be updated and to be involved in leadership, so that we can take various elective positions going forward.